Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Node-RED credentials securely using encrypted exports step by step clearly. To securely backup your Node-RED credentials using encrypted exports, begin by opening your Node-RED editor. Access the menu in the top right corner of the interface. Select the export option from the drop-down menu. Choose credentials from the export options to ensure you are backing up the sensitive data. Copy the credentials JSON that appears in the export dialog. Next, open a text editor on your computer. Paste the copied credentials into the text editor for temporary storage. Now, it's time to encrypt the copied credentials to enhance security. You can use a command line tool like OpenSSL for this purpose. Open a terminal or command prompt on your computer. Run the OpenSSL command to encrypt the JSON file using a password. The command generally follows this format: openselect ES256 salt in yourfile.json out yourfile.enc. Replace yourfile.json with the name of your temporary file. You will be prompted to enter a password for encryption. Make sure to choose a strong password and remember it, as you will need it to decrypt your backup later. After running the command, a new encrypted file with the .enc extension will have been created. Safely delete the temporary JSON file to minimize the risk of exposing sensitive information. Store the encrypted backup file in a secure location. Remember to also back up your password in a secure password manager. To restore the credentials later, use the following OpenSSL command to decrypt the file. Remember the format: openselect DAES256 in yourfile.enc out yourfile.json. You will need to provide the same password used during encryption for this process. Once decrypted, you can copy the credentials back into your Node-RED editor. Finally, ensure all sensitive information is deleted from your local storage after completing the backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.